the breadboard looks like. A breadboard is a device for holding the components of a circuit and connecting them together. We can build an electronic circuit on a breadboard without doing any soldering. The top two rails and bottom two rails are called power rails. The top row of holes are all connected together and are marked here with red dots and blue dots. Note that the connection breaks in the middle of the breadboard. In the middle, the columns of wires are connected together. For example, all the green holes marked are connected together, but they are not connected to the yellow holes.